Milwaukee toolbox today, but like sometimes you gotta take what you can get. You want to buy it like all football commons and all baseball commons. You don't want it like all mixed, because like the way that I've been told, people want certain sports and that's what they want because that's who they sell it to. They'll buy it as football and then they'll sell it to someone as football. So I just do what I'm told.
Yeah, whatever it takes to unload some cards.
I know, it's sad. That's all I got, stickers. Should I just put those in the case? Yeah, what's that? Nice.
How much on the Ellie auto?
Sweet. 99 out of 299. Very cool. We're putting new cards in the case. Poplin Tyrese.
No, it was about
Hernandez.
5 miles.
Juan Soto Dynasty. What else is new in here?
It's really cool. And I was walking.
That sold last night. Sedane. What's cool in here? Dotson, Sauce, Brees Hall. Don't know y'all. Machado. That new. First 3 pickups of the day. We got a Ridley out of 49 auto, no sleeve. Love to see it really beat up. Sold some of his stuff the last couple weeks, and it's starting to tick back up because people are realizing he's going to start next year. Or something. Diaz, closer for the Dodgers, the Mets, and then Kyle Lewis is starting to play good for the D-backs right now. $20 on X Factor. And then I did a deal with someone that I do deals consistently with. Second-year NT, Anthony Edwards auto. Justin Fields orange prism, Fields blue out of 199, and a De'Aaron Fox out of Noir sneaker spotlights. These sell pretty well.
That's funny. His number too. I never knew the main number. And now I started hitting those numbers. It's the only one I have with like 10,000 packs.
Like 295, and Jefferson's pop 1, but it's rookie. So I think that one's between like 180 and 200. That's like basically like 500 value.
How much is a Jordan card?
It's 1,000.
That's $1,000 card? Even at 7?
Yeah.
I'll even be more generous. Just give me that Fields one and the Trout, and that's even less money for you. But it's very fair. Yeah, that's fair. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Do you need that bag?
All right. Lot pickup. Not really sure what's in here. Traded out some stuff. I don't know. Autos, patches. Some Cubs stuff, it looks like. Brent Rooker. Bunch of different stuff. This is all like eBay cards. We'll see how we do. Oh yeah, these two. Good as Gold. And John Stamos. Beach Boys auto. I don't even know who the Beach Boys are. Comments are gonna hate me. Is he on the Lakers?
Yeah, he's in the Lakers, yep.
Terry, scary Terry.
Good to see you, bro.
Good seeing you, man. I'll catch you soon.
Hey, you'll be everywhere. I've seen your Instagram.
I try to.
That's good, though, man. How's Dallas? I've never been there.
No, that's my like favorite
Spot.
It's like every 6 weeks.
Oh, is
it's
it?
like my favorite show to like go to. I mean, like I've started to meet a lot more people there, but it's like a great show to like move stuff on. Even buying, selling, like it's good for both sides.
Probably a big show, right?
Oh yeah, it's like 600 tables, so it's like I'd say it's a little bit bigger. Did you go to Spectacular?
Yeah,
it's
man,
a little.
that one I felt overwhelmed already. So I can't imagine.
Get ready for the National.
Oh, I know.
That's even more overwhelming.
Sure.
That's like 1,000 tables. Sees Wiseman.
Oh, nice.
And I'm like, it's a pop one. He's like, I don't know what you want, but like I'm gonna take it either way. Like,
That's good.
I think I gave it to him at. I think I got it off you at like 120. I gave it to him at 140, and he was happy. I'm like,
Yeah, no, for sure. If he PCs him, that's a nice card.
oh yeah. And he was like PCing him
Big.
when he was on the Warriors, and he's actually happy that he got moved to the
Because
Pistons.
now he's getting more playing time.
Yeah,
Man, the Pistons, depending on what they do with their draft pick, they're going to be good next year.
I know. Especially if they get like Wembanyama
They get
too.
Cunningham back.
Oh yeah.
Right now, I'm risking on Zion. I didn't even bring him today.
Oh,
I'm waiting for
you're
next
you're buying Zion?
Yeah, I bought a whole bunch of Zion. A couple 10s, a couple rookies.
Isn't there a good compound like a PSA 10 something? Like the Optim. I think I opted to like 550.
What are you asking?
Five, 480 and 390.
Did they like the shoe ones?
The sneaker spotlights.
Is the purple, Mitch, is the purple number to 17? How much is it?
Everybody loves Salmon Sunday.
What are you asking?
300. You wouldn't want to be where I'd have to be.
Where is it?
280. I've got a buyer. Dude, I walked in today. Some guy comes up to me. He's like, "Why are you telling everybody about the repack thing?" I'm like, "I'm sorry. I didn't mean to." This one, January 20th, did 620.
620.
I mean, like this lasted 225, and these lasted 300. So I don't know how much cash you'd want with that.
What would you be at trade value of this?
I mean, like I do like comp for comp, basically.
Yeah,
like
okay.
620 comp on
You said how much
that.
were the comps on those?
225 and 300. You could check.
Let me look at my phone. That's my phone over there.
Yeah.
225 on that. It was like 287 to 3.
It just depends how much cash you want. Just because, like,
Yeah.
that did 620, but it's also he's out for the year and they're not making the playoffs. And I know that I can move those like pretty easily at like 90%.
What would you add? You can make an offer. Would you add 100?
Those are a lot easier to move than that.
What about 80?
If you want to walk it around, that's fine too.
I'm gonna walk around, but I'll definitely come back.
Okay.
If I don't get a better deal, then I'll come back.
See if the deal's still here.
The ones are from.
Okay. We just got too much of this stuff already.
550. There's 13 cards here.
It's kind of all over the place, honestly. Also interested in the Torque, but I know that's...
Oh, are these ones mine? Did you get these out of the box?
Okay.
Those
all right.
two?
No, these are mine.
These ones you got out of the box though?
Those are $1. These are 25.
Okay. So it's $5.50 for these, and how much for these?
I think it was 13.
About 15. Is that cool? Okay.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I'll make it over in a little bit.
And I had like
How much is the Edwards?
300.
Is that a rookie?
No, second year. They do like 325 to 400.
Is it gradable? How much is the Jordan Love? I'm guessing does it have a dark back?
Well, I didn't even look at the back, but there's a little something right there.
It's not
See
bad. That can come
No.
off.
Well, you can try.
What are you buying right now?
I'm trying not to buy football. I like the hot QBs, baseball. I like this guy today, Kyle Lewis. Yeah, and then a lot of people just have them like sitting in their boxes for like pretty cheap, good prices. Like baseball wise, it kind of just gotta let the like first couple weeks see how everybody's playing, and then start to buy people.
I saw your Instagram. Is this your dead inventory? Some of this?
No, my dead inventory is sitting in this man's basement. Our dead inventory.
Sitting all in my basement.
Yeah.
Do you like a bunch of just random base cards into one once?
Well, yeah. So I'm working on finding someone that will buy commons. I'll show you his basement right now.
So do you feel good about the million cards, or?
No, I feel good. It's just like I don't want that for his basement to look like that anymore. So we're working on dwindling some stuff. Milwaukee toolbox today, but like sometimes you gotta take what you can get. So I usually don't get to buy what I want, but when the deal makes sense, you just gotta take it in the deal. If it's gonna move, it's gonna move.
Use Facebook Marketplace, everyone.
Yeah.
I got a Bryce Young and an Aiden Hutchinson offer for $25 there.
All right, that's a pretty good deal. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, find your way, find your niche,
Get the deal.
and get the deals. Exactly. Traded the Brett Beatty, Bowman Chrome Refractor Auto. Julio out of 50 mini diamond. Say less. I think the last one did 225.
How much?
Yeah, this is doing like near 3, and then like middle of March is like lower 2 to 250.
I think the last blue, like raw, did 2 1/4, and then the last PSA 9 did like 3.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah.
You have PayPal, right?
I realized my cup was so low.
I'm scared. You do 225 on this.
Still their own.
I couldn't get there.
I'll pass the blue one. I'll go 200 PayPal, 40 cash. Like,
Okay.
like the NFC 43. Can I take one of these stickers?
Yeah, go ahead, man. They don't. Well, they started to stick on some of the Zion cases, but this one doesn't really stick out there. But like these ones,
That's right.
these ones it stick pretty well.
Mine and me, it's like somewhat the same. And they don't stick at first, but if you just like keep it there and press it,
Yeah, they'll work
it's
at
like
some
that's like
point.
the same.
Ah. As y'all saw today, I'm changing up my strategy a little bit. I talked about that on my Instagram just yesterday. By the way, follow it at Stack and Sell on IG, TikTok, all platforms. But I'm switching up a little bit of what I'm doing. I've got a lot of inventory still left over from the million card collection. A lot of inventory that I've just accumulated over time. And over the next month, I'm really just going to be focusing on buying stuff that I know that I could flip within 1 day to 7 days, and anything else I'm really just not going to touch. And it's nothing against anyone. Like, yes, there's great deals to be had still on a lot of that stuff. But me, I've got such a surplus of inventory that's got to be listed on eBay, that I've got to sell off to different people, that I'm like, I got to focus on that a little bit more. I don't have to focus on keep buying and keep listing. I've got plenty enough stuff to list. So my strategy has changed a little bit. Take all that stuff, list all that stuff, get rid of all that stuff. Then I'll get back into buying a lot more heavily. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love coming out to the Sean Briggs Show. Didn't buy as much, but sold a lot of stuff today. Did a couple trades. Really appreciate everybody I did deals with. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.